We're gonna get more snow. Already sprinkling now. Oh, I'm freezing to death out here. That's coming towards us. Brr, it's so cold. Look on the mountains. Now it's starting to rain. Soon enough, this is turning to ice though. This is snow clouds. Again. I should wear my jacket. Oh, how is it out of focus? Yeah, that's our $80,000 trailer. Which we don't like. Too big. We're gonna get snow. Again. Snowing on mountains over there, but we're gonna get more snow. Oh, it feels like it's -degree weather here. 15 under. That looks like a cold air funnel right there. Kind of looks like a tornado. I hope it isn't. It's a cold air funnel. That kind of looks like a funnel cloud. I'm gonna take a picture, because that looks like a funnel. That's a humongous tornado funnel cloud. Hope it doesn't land. 'Cause that kind of looks like a funnel cloud. What do you guys think? Does it look like a funnel? That is right over us. Holy cow. It kind of looks like a tornado. Man, I never seen anything like that. It's getting bigger and bigger. It looks like a funnel. And now it's going back up, but it still kind of looks like a funnel cloud. It's swirling too. That thing's swirling. Yeah, now it's gone. We're gonna get more snow though. Whew. I'm going back inside, it's cold. Yikes. I don't want to fall. That was cool though. That looked like the funnel cloud. Ouch. It's coming towards us.